Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So today we were supposed to have the 10,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway. So I've been getting a lot of emails, a lot of text messages from my members saying that there's a huge storm coming in the Midwest and East Coast. There's also one coming here in California, but not worried about it here. But I do want to give every opportunity for as many people as possible to be on this giveaway live in order to give away these prizes, because some of these prizes are pretty expensive and they're big prizes, and I don't want just 40 or 50 people on here when the rest of the people just don't have a chance to win. So I want to give everybody an opportunity to win these prizes. So I am going to delay it a few days, and I'm going to make another post on my community page. So if you're not familiar with the community page, go to my, click on my name, and up at the top you'll see videos, playlist, and just go over to community and click on that, and you'll see my latest posts, and there's going to be a poll there. So I did a poll yesterday because I was getting so many people asking me to delay it until Saturday. Saturday doesn't work for some people, but for a lot of other people it does. So I'm leaning more towards Saturday, but we can delay it a little bit longer if you guys want. I'm going to add another coffee grinder, spice grinder to the list, and there'll be another couple things that I'm going to add in addition to what I was already adding that you guys don't even know about. So I'm sorry for the delay. Don't worry about the gifts and everything. But the only reason I'm doing this is so that more people can be there. I understand that not everybody is going to be able to make it to the live whenever we do it, and there will be a special giveaway for those that can't make it, just on a video giveaway, and there'll be one large prize for that. So if you can't make it to any of the dates, no worries. So yeah, with so many people, we have 11,300 subscribers now, and a lot of the lives have 150 or so, 170 people watching, maybe 200 people, which is great. But with so many people telling me that they can't make it, and they're afraid of their internet going in and out because of electrical storms that they're going to have, and hailstorms and tornadoes coming and things like that, I want you guys to be safe. So we are just going to delay it for a little bit. Still going to happen. I was ready to do it today, but I want your safety first. And the majority of the people that I've heard from have reached out to me with their concerns. So that's why we're delaying it. Watch for my community post. There's still a possibility of doing it on Saturday if you guys vote for that. So I want as many of you guys to go and vote for the day as possible. Saturday will be one of the days, and there'll be a couple of afternoons next week that I'll be available, and then I won't be available after that for a few days. But I do want to have it as soon as possible. I know Saturday is the day before Easter. I get it. That's why I was going to have it so early in the morning. So it'll be up to you guys to vote. If you want to email me privately, you can. My email is thecanningnana@gmail.com. And again, this has nothing to do with my being ill or my husband's injury or anything. It's just your safety I'm concerned about, and I want everybody to have an opportunity to win the prizes, and that's what comes first. So this is one of the biggest giveaways I have ever done, and I want as many people there as possible to have the opportunity to win, and that's the only reason that we're delaying this. So thank you guys for your understanding and for reaching out to me, because I didn't understand how intense the storms were going to be in the Midwest and the East. Like I said, we have a pretty big storm coming here as well, but we don't have the same risks that you guys do in the Midwest. So totally understand. I have friends in the Midwest, lots of subscribers in the Midwest, and I'm just concerned for your safety. I don't want you guys online when you know, watching a live when you should be preparing to take shelter or evacuate or whatever. So your safety comes first. So I don't want anybody to worry that they're going to miss out. So that's the reason. And I will see you guys soon. Watch for my community page and the choices. And please, please vote. Your vote matters. So I hope to see you guys soon. And there'll be more videos coming today, because I've reserved today off to do the live. So I'm going to be making some videos and getting them out to you guys instead. I will see you soon, and have a great day and stay safe, everybody. And thanks for letting me know of your concerns. I really appreciate it.